video I will show you how to remove background noise in Audacity. I have a clip recorded for you, and here you can see that I'll play it and you will see that there is a lot of noise over here. Let me play that. So here you see that a lot of noise in that clip. So first you need to highlight a silent section of your recording where only the background noise like hiss, hum or fan noise is audible. This should be at least 2 to 5 seconds long. So in that area, here is that. And then go to the top menu and select the effects and select the noise removal and repair, and here it is, and click on the noise reduction. And now click the get noise profile button. The window will close. Audacity now remember that specific sound. And now select the entire track by pressing Ctrl A. Again go to the effect and click on the noise removal and repair and click on the noise reduction. So here you need to adjust the setting, but if you are not sure what numbers to use, these are the safe starting point for this. Noise reduction is 6 dB, sensitive 12 and frequency smoothing 3 bands. And now click OK to apply. So this process is for removing those tiny breathe or distance traffic noises between sentences or fan noise. And now let's play it and you will see that the noise has been removed. Removing background noise in Audacity is one of the most effective ways to make your audio sounds professional. If you still feel the noise in the clip, then you need to repeat the process. Again, go to the noise removal and repair and click noise reduction and click OK. You need to repeat the process maybe 2 or 3 times to completely remove the noise in the clip. And here now you can see that. So here you can see that the noise reduction has been completely removed and the voice is much clearer than earlier. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.